Difference between do and make. Do is a general word for actions. We can use do to talk about work or activities in general. Do a sport, do a course, do an exam, do a job, do housework, do homework. Examples. What are you doing this evening? Not what are you making? Shall I open the door?
No, it's okay. I'll do it.
Laura's job is very boring. She does the same thing every day. I did a lot of things yesterday. What do you do? Equals, what's your job? To ask what job somebody does, we can say, what do you do?
I work in a bank.
We can use make to mean, create or produce. For example, make coffee, make a cake, make a mess, make a list, make a noise, make a mistake. Examples. She's making coffee. He has made a cake. They make umbrellas. It was made in China. Compare do and make. I did a lot yesterday. I cleaned my room, I wrote some letters, and I made a cake. What do you do in your free time? Sport. Reading. Hobbies.
I make clothes. I make dresses and jackets. I also make toys for my children.
Expressions with do. Do an exam, do a test. I'm doing my driving test next week. Do a course. Tom has just done a training course. Do homework. Our children have to do a lot of homework. Do housework. I hate doing housework, especially cleaning. Do somebody a favor. Nora, could you do me a favor? Do an exercise. I go for a run and do exercises every morning. Expressions with make. Make a mistake. I'm sorry, I made a mistake. Make an appointment. I need to make an appointment to see the doctor. Make a phone call. Excuse me, I have to make a phone call. Make a list. Have you made a shopping list? Make a noise. It's late. Don't make a noise. Make a bed. Sometimes I forget to make my bed in the morning. More examples.
Let's practice. Paper is made from wood. What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
Do you know how to make bread? I'm hungry. Let's make some sandwiches. What do they make in that factory?
Shoes and bags.
I hate doing housework, especially cleaning. Why do you always do the same mistake? Have you done your homework?
Not yet.
I'm making some coffee. Would you like some? The last time I did an exam was 10 years ago. Can you do me a favor?
It depends what it is.
How many phone calls did you make yesterday? What did you do at the weekend? Did you go away? I asked you to clean the bathroom. Have you done it? Why are you angry with me? I didn't do anything wrong. What are you doing tomorrow afternoon?
I'm working.
When you've finished exercise 1, you can do exercise 2. Let's make a list of all the things we have to do today. Richard didn't help me. He sat in an armchair and did nothing. I need to see the dentist, but I haven't made an appointment. It was a bad mistake. It was the worst mistake I've ever made. I'm doing a course in photography at the moment. It's very good. There's something wrong with the car. The engine is making a strange noise. Are you doing anything on Friday night? I'm having a birthday party. Would you like to come?
The link of all sentences in this video is in the description.
Don't forget to watch these videos.